Siguro way back 2007. Kaiba kami na school. Ako BSU. Siya Divine. Pinakilala kami ng kaibigan namin, ng kapitbahay ko. Kaklase sila. Ngayon, nung nakita ko, yun na yun. Nagkagusto ka agad ako. Waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all and die for.
Kasi yung relationship namin, yung setup namin is 4 years kami, tapos 14 years kaming nag-live-in. Kaya yung mga anak na kami, tapos ngayon namin naisipan na magpakasal na tayo. I'll never stop chasing your heart, my love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till final breath. My love is all for you.
Sa totoo, 18 years is quite good enough for them to speed this marriage. I appreciate these two couple, lovely couple. In spite of having an 18 years of marriage, they still decided to ask the blessing of the church. Darkness, our love shines the brightest. When it's hardest, it won't paralyze us. When it feels like... Marami kaming problema na na-encounter. Sabi nga, kailangan na-achieve muna namin lahat yun bago kami magpakasal. Pagka hinuli muna namin itong kasal, mas priority namin yung para sa future. Never stop chasing your heart, my love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till I final breath. My love is all for you. David and Ivy, huwag kayong magsasawang kasayahin ng isa't isa. Tulad ng inyong mga ninong at ninang na marami ng pinagdaanan sa buhay, learn from their experiences. Even as we wait for time to heal the broken parts, our light will find a way where hope is dim and skies are blurry. Take my hand and we will feel the wind upon our shoulders. Together we are stronger. Sa unang ko, kala mabait siya kung titingnan eh. Pero syempre, sa ngayon kasi, malakas pala yung toyo. Ito na Sabi nga, wala nang ibang dahilan. Kung sa sigurado. It was all a motion picture. Sure as the river finds. Ano yata ito May thank you, nagustuhan ko yung gift mo. Especially yung relo. Somehow it felt so familiar.
Ano siya kasi tahimik. Tsaka, pero kalog pag nakilala mo na. Yun, mabait kasi siya. Bilang ako yung mas 4 years kasi age gap namin. Ako yung ahit. So, sa mga decision making naman, siya naman yung last na na final decision. Mr. BG Kenneth Yabuko. Happy anniversary, happy 18 years anniversary. Masasabi kong masarap mabuhay sa unang kalahati ng buhay ko. Pero sigurado akong mas masarap mabuhay ngayong magkasama na tayo. Hanggat nandito ako, may asawang magtitiwala sa kakayahan mo asawa na proud sa'yo. Kakampi mo sa lahat ng pagsubok. At lagi mo tatandaan na kahit gaano ako katapang para awayin ka, ganon din ako katakot na mawala ka. Love you, Ted.
Kenneth and Ivy, your love be good as wine. It grows stronger as it gets old. May your fire as warm as your long-lasting love. At mula sa inyong mga bintana, patuloyin niyo ang biyaya ng Diyos upang dumalaw sa inyong tahanan patungo sa iba.
From now until forevermore, I know
Mami ko, Orme, today you are officially Mrs. Gabuco. Na masasabi natin na di na tayo kolorum. Me, you are my answer prayer. You have been a steady partner for me, especially pag minsan di maganda pakiramdam ko at minsan sa dami ko iniisip na problema. Nandun ka palagi to pick me up. Today, I choose to be with you for the rest of our life. I love you, man.